This is Hafiz from EbuysTT. Welcome to our second tutorial, your seller's dashboard. Before we go to the seller's dashboard, I would like to give you some pointers. First of all, I like to use the Google Chrome web browser because to download photos it tends to be easier. Chrome has an extension called Image Downloader. To get this extension, simply Google Chrome Image Downloader. After you download the extension, whenever you need to download any photos from a website, simply click on Image Downloader and then you can choose the photo you want to save. For example, if I go into Amazon's website and I click on the Image Downloader, which is right here in the corner of your browser, it opens up all the images of that website. All I have to do is choose the image I want to download and click on download. Yes. This allows me to download the photo. Now all I have to do is save the photo. The next thing I suggest is for you to open a folder on your computer for all these photos you want to save of your products. This helps a lot in finding your photos whenever you need to. Also, open a spreadsheet such as Microsoft Excel or Google Docs. Google Docs is free to use once you have a Google Gmail account. On this file, I will call it Product Calculation Form. Of course, you can name it or whatever you want. The purpose of this spreadsheet is for you to keep a record of the products you have on our website. Also, it is to calculate your prices. As you can see, I put different headings for the spreadsheet. SKU, product name, cost price, your markup amount, selling price with markup, VAT, and selling price with VAT. The VAT and the selling price with VAT will be applicable to the VAT traders, but the sellers who don't have VAT, they can use this column for their final price. Now I want to give you a tour of the seller's dashboard. Click on Sellers Click here. Enter your email address and password and log into your account. Yes! Once you log in, you'll see your dashboard. Here you can keep track of your sales, top sold products, recent orders, out of stock products, your store statistics, store earnings. With your store earnings, you could check your sales from a certain time to a next period. Next, click on configuration and invoice configuration. This shows you details of your invoice that you're going to give to a customer. It has your information that you have to put in, such as your address, your VAT number, telephone number, fax number, and date format. You need to fill in this information so that when your product sells, you could issue an invoice using your information on that invoice. And this invoice can be printed online. The next step is to look at the products listing. I will deal with this products listing in the next tutorial, but I just wanted to show you a little bit about adding a product. If you click on add product, here are all the details where you put in the product name, product type, description, tags, and so on. I will go over all of these things with you all. Don't worry. And then when you finish entering all the information, click on Save Changes. After that, you turn to Orders and we go to Orders Listing. This is basically all the orders that you have, all the goods that you sold will be listed here. Next will be Order Payments. This will be all the payments that you will be receiving. Next one will be My Account. This has information about your account which you filled in when you joined. All the information about where your store is, and you could put in extra information if you want here also. You could upload your banners, and also you could change your password here. You could view your profile. View your profile takes you to how your store would look on EbuysTT. So when I click on View Profile, it should open up to your store, and here you can see all the products that you have in your store. Going back now to payment details, profile payment details. This is a very important part of the whole process. This is where you have to set up where you're going to get paid, where your money will be going to you. You set up internet banking. Click on internet banking and you put in your bank's name, name on account, bank's account number, your routing number, and the bank's branch name. That could be, for instance, if the bank is in Superior Street, San Fernando, you could write Superior Street, San Fernando there. Once you have all this information in, click on Save. This will enable us to use this information that you entered to pay you when your product is sold. This payment will go to you after the customer receives the order. So this basically is the dashboard which you will use to log in to put in your product information and do your settings, change, and so on. So thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more tutorials from EbuysTT.com.